Okay, everyone, so I have taken all of my Christmas items out of my living room inside the house. You may still see the outdoor wreath on the door, but I'm focusing on the inside right now. So I just want to tell you where the items came from that's in my living room, since I have a blank slate. Before I do that, loves, I just want to stress how much I love having a neutral background, a neutral foundation. So with a neutral foundation, and when I say neutral, I mean in like the grays, the ivories, the creams, the beiges, the light colors, the colors that you can put any other color with and it will actually be pretty. I can put any color that I can imagine in with this gray background and it would be pretty. Now, my style is glam, so whatever I do add in this room is gonna have some sparkle. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I am a glam girl and everything that I do is going to be sparkly and shimmery. So anyway, I'm going to start with this mirror here. So this mirror here actually came from Z Gallery. I ended up purchasing this on sale. I have quite a few items in here from Z Gallery, but I can tell you everything that I purchased from Z Gallery was on sale, a really good sale. I think I paid under 200 bucks for this mirror, if I'm not mistaken. I purchased from Z Gallery with coupons or on sale items. So love this mirror. It's called a Starburst Mirror and they still carry this mirror right now today. Now this little end table here also came from Z Gallery. I ended up getting this, if I'm not mistaken, it was maybe 50 or 70% off, but I paid under 100 bucks for this side table, but don't quote me on that. It may have been 90 or maybe 100, maybe 125, I'm not sure, but it was definitely either 50 or 70% off. So these lamps here, I know I purchased these lamps at either 40 or 50% off. I paid maybe around 150 or 170 or so, when these lamps are normally like 270, 280. I don't remember the exact cost, but I purchased these lamps when the store was going out of business. And I wanted the silver ones, but I read some of the reviews on the silver ones about the color changing and whatnot. So I just went ahead with the white. Plus, having the white lamp is actually going to break up some of the silver stuff that I am going to be adding in this room. And then plus the two white lamps that I have on the side on my end tables is going perfectly well. It's like balancing, I'm losing my voice, I can't even talk. It's adding a balance to the picture that I have on the wall. That's exactly what it's doing. And my end tables came from Rooms to Go. The end tables as well as the coffee table, they actually have a style similar to this at Z Gallery, but I think it's like $1,000 just for the table, if I'm not mistaken, you guys. But I actually ended up paying $4.99 for the table and the end tables from Rooms to Go. My sofa also came from Rooms to Go. And it came with the little Tootsie Roll pillows here. My wall sconces came from Z Gallery. I think I may have paid about 24 bucks for these wall sconces. My candles that you see up there came from Home Goods. Recent purchase during the holidays. It was like 4 in a pack for like $14.99. My drapes came from Home Goods. They're actually, I think they're 96-inch drapes. They're really pretty, and if you take a look at them here, they have like some type of design in there, and it also has like a shimmery design, but I don't have very good lighting in this room, so you may not be able to see the shimmer in the drapes. The wall art that you see in the middle of my two windows, came from Pier 1. Let me step back here. Oh, forgot something. These little curtain tie backs, I love these. These came from Amazon. You can shop my home. I'm gonna have the link below if you're interested in purchasing these. But these are so cute. It comes with 2 in a pack, and they're tie backs, and they're so pretty. So, moving right along, the area rug that's on the floor came from Ross. I think it was like 70 or 79 bucks. My accent chair came from Pier 1, and I purchased it when it was on sale as well. And that pretty much sums everything on this side. And my little light fixture up here, the light fixture, can you see that? Actually came from Wayfair. So I'm gonna move to this side of the room. These wall sconces up here, I think I paid like 20 bucks or maybe less for these wall sconces from Z Gallery. I know they were 70% off. That's what I remember. And these beautiful candles here, let me turn it on. These candles are super cute. These candles actually came from eFavormart, and they come with a remote control, and I love them. I'm gonna have a link below if you're interested in checking out the candles. This wall art that I have over my entryway table is from Pier 1. I've had it for a few years, and I like it because it has mirrored pieces in there. Can you see the mirrored pieces? Yeah, I just wish that it had more mirrored pieces in there, but nevertheless, I still like the piece. So moving down to the entryway table. My entryway table came from Rooms to Go. I paid about 400 bucks for it, but they do have this entryway table at Wayfair. I'll try to place the link below to the entryway table. I love it because it has the 2 shelves and it gives me more space to decorate. And I love decorating. Okay, so this video has come to an end, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how my living room looks not decorated at all. And I am going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.